You're watching How Leap. Let's learn the best way to share chat-gapped conversations easily. The simplest method is using ChatGapt's built-in share feature. In the ChatGapt interface, find the conversation you want to share. Look for the share icon, which is typically a paper airplane or three dots with a share option. Click it. You can generate a shareable link. Anyone with the link can view the conversation. You can also copy the entire text and paste it into an email or document. For a more visual format, take a screenshot of the conversation. On Windows, use Snipping tool. On Mac, use Command-Shift-4. On mobile, use your device's screenshot shortcut. Another great method is using third-party tools like Shareggt. Visit sharegpt.com, paste your ChatGapt conversation, and it will create a clean, formatted page with a link to share. For collaboration, you can export the conversation as a text file and upload it to cloud storage like Google Drive, then share the file link if you need to share. Frequently consider using ChatGapt's new shared chat feature in team plans, which creates a persistent, updatable link. Choose the method that fits your needs for privacy and presentation. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.